This is my latest update right in front of you here. This is for the cylon circuitry for the ghost box. Now I had to break the circuit down to make it simplified. I've got 3 driver circuits on the board here complete with the diodes, so there's no need to put it at the integrated circuit in, making it look awfully squashy and crammy with all the wiring. And I've got the other 3 here, so I've got all 6 drivers here already. For the LED display, instead of using 6 10mm LEDs, I have got them in pairs, so I've got 6 pairs. They're white, bright blue, bright white, bright blue, and so on. And that's the back of the board I designed there, for that section there. Right, as for the voice operated relay switch, here it is here. It's got a 50k potentiometer, a 220 ohm resistor for the 7000 MCD bright white LED, which will be more effective at triggering the LDR. And at the input where the audio is, I've got the negative bottom, and I've got the 1.0 UF microfarad tantalum capacitor. There's a transistor BC547. Now the heat shrink tubing goes over that end there, over the LED, and the other end of the heat shrink tubing goes over the LDR, so you can heat it up more so it shrinks smaller for a small LDR. So when the light flicks on and off to the voices talking on the ghost box, the relay triggers on and off. I can use that to stop the LED or trigger something on, whatever. And for a more sensitive one here, I've got the reed relay. That's a 5 volt reed relay. So one's 6 volts there, this one's 5 volt there. The LDR's on it, and these have been tested out, these work good. Right, now over here, I've got the all band receiver that I made once before, and I'll build it again. I'm waiting on the 2N4401 transistors to come in a mail, otherwise I can use the 2N3904 transistors here. I'll put matrix pins here to run the wires here to the potentiometer, which will go to a box. And if you look on the internet, you'll see a modified of the schematic where they got an amplifier, LM386 amplifier. I don't need to worry about that because I've got another amplifier using my ghost boxes. This one's got the preamplifier at the front end and an amplifier straight after that, so I'm going to get twice the amplification here. So it's the Spirit all band receiver. No need to scan. No need to worry about scanning with that because I'll pick them all up at the same time, or whatever radio station they're closest to, so I reckon it might work. Using this as a Spirit radio, it might be the cheapest alternative on the net so far, if it works, which I reckon it probably will do. Right, for LED designs, I've got another prototype here built. It's very hard to get the LEDs straight in the line, and there's the back of the boards. See? All the LEDs, this is for testing, so if I want to do a test rig, I'll use that there. Okay, that's about it for my updates. Thank you for watching.